Many children go through phases of picky eating or low appetite. The good news is, with a few simple strategies, you can help encourage healthier eating habits and improve their interest in food. Sticking to a consistent meal and snack schedule helps regulate your child's appetite by creating a predictable routine. When meals are served at the same times each day, it trains the body to feel hungry at regular intervals. This also helps stop constant snacking, which can take away your child's hunger and make them less interested in regular meals. Keeping mealtimes calm and happy helps kids enjoy food and eat better. A relaxed setting makes them feel safe and open to trying food. Do not force or pressure them to eat, it can make them worried and less hungry. Instead, eat together and show good eating habits. This can help your child feel more ready to try new foods. Giving your child small, frequent meals during the day works better than just 3 big ones, especially if they have a low appetite. 5 to 6 smaller meals or snacks are easier for them to eat and do not feel too much. These small meals help keep their energy up and make it easier for them to feel hungry at the right times. Giving your child healthy, high-energy foods can help boost their appetite and keep them strong. Foods like peanut butter, avocado, cheese, eggs, yogurt, nuts, and healthy oils are full of nutrients and calories, so even small amounts give lots of energy. These are great choices for picky eaters or kids who do not eat much, as they help with growth without needing to eat a lot. Limiting junk food and sugary drinks helps keep your child's appetite healthy. These empty calories can spoil hunger and reduce interest in real meals. Offer water between meals and focus on nutritious foods instead. Encouraging physical activity can naturally boost your child's appetite. Active kids burn more energy, which helps stimulate hunger and supports healthy eating habits. Simple activities like outdoor play, walking, or light exercise can make a big difference in increasing their interest in food. Letting kids help in the kitchen can make them more interested in eating. When they pick foods or help cook, they feel proud and want to try what they made. Easy tasks like washing veggies or mixing ingredients can make mealtime more fun. Getting enough sleep helps your child feel hungry and eat well. If they do not sleep enough, they might eat less or at the wrong times. Try to keep a regular bedtime and let them get the right amount of sleep for their age. If your child still does not eat well, after trying these tips, it's a good idea to talk to a doctor. A checkup can help find out what's wrong and how to help your child eat better. Helping your child eat better takes time, care, and simple steps. With a good routine and a happy mealtime, they can start to enjoy food and eat well.